Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at something new, something great. We'll be looking at 5 US crypto coins that you can buy that can make your 100 USDT to thousands in 2025. Okay, we're going to look at 5 of these USA coins that has a massive potential in 2025. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So what do we have to do? We're going to start by searching for the first coin that I'm going to unveil. I'm going to use a coin market cap for this. You can get those coins on Binance, on Bybit exchanges, and also other exchanges that are live for trade. So let's dive into that. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to go to the search button here. If we go to the search button, we're going to search for a great coin that we all know, and it has been surging very high in the past few weeks. So the coin is known as what? The first coin I'm going to look at is known as XRP. XRP has been surging for a while. It is a coin with a very high potential, we all know it, and it is a USA backed coin. So what do you have to do? All you just need to do is to watch out this coin carefully and invest on it. But do not invest too much. Do not invest what will hinder you from sleeping. Invest a little, but if you can take a risk, then you will be the crypto millionaire. Alright? So this coin has been doing well for past few weeks now. Okay, but actually it has been going ups and down. That's what makes it so special. So invest on this coin and expect a massive surge this 2025. Okay, we're all hoping for a pump, a real pump. All right. So looking at this coin, you can look at it statistically. You can see it lows and high during the past few days. Okay, during the past few days. But this what we're going to look at here is the past 24 hours. How has it been doing? Its low was 3.053. Okay, and its high was 3.1. This is for this 24 hours. It has a market cap of over 180 billion. A fully diluted market cap is 312.78 billion. That's a very good one. Its volume for 24 hours was over $4. Its calculating supply was over 57 billion XRP. Look at this. This is a very good one. So investing on this very coin will not be a loss for you. And when it turns out, it will be a game changer for you. Where can you trade this coin? You can trade this coin on BinX, on Binance, on Nexo, Bybit, and lots more of them, including Budgets and the others. Okay, so that is it. You can just look at the market to see what it's doing. You can see on Binance it was there. XRP trading against FDUSDT still on Binance. XRP/USDT on Bybit, and a lot more of them. Okay, this shows that it is a good coin that you can invest in and see what exactly is going on there. Okay, so you can come to the community to see what the community is talking about. You can see in the community is highly greenish, over 80%. Okay, and its bearish was just 12. So this shows that this coin is a very good one. You can invest on it patiently, do not be in a rush. If you invest on it, you're going to wait patiently for when this coin pump up, probably times 2 or by 1.5. Then you can sell, cash out your profit, and move and wait for another opportunity. Okay, the second one I'm going to mention here also is also a good coin, of which we all know about it. It's known as what? It's known as Doge. Okay, it's known as Dogecoin. So you can look at this Dogecoin. You can see how it's trading, how it has been doing. But do not forget, it's a USA major coin. Okay, it's a USA major coin. We stand for Department of Government Efficiency. The Doge means Department of Government Efficiency. So looking at it, how efficient would this Doge be? Okay, it's a nice one. It's a very good coin. You can check it out for yourself. Looking out for the community, its market caps, and a lot more. Highly bearish. Okay, it's highly bearish. So all you just need to do is to dive in. Make your research first before diving in. And do also not invest more than you can lose. Okay, Doge has taken a very high move for the past few weeks. All right, so to save time, I won't be talking too much on it. You can just go make your research silently, codedly, and choose to invest on it. All right, so let's quickly go to the next coin, because we're going to mention 5 crypto coins USA owned that you can invest on it and make money for yourself. All right, so I've mentioned 2 so far, remaining 3. So let's dive into that. Let's go to see the rest of the 3. The next one we're looking at is SOL, Solana coin. You guys all know where Solana coin was, and it went close to close to 280 USD, and also dropped down in the past few days to 239 USDT, roughly 240. Okay, so this is one of the coin also that you can invest on it for future massive profit. All those coins have a very high potential, and if you want to trade it, you should consider it low and high. What was it low? 227 for the past 24 hours, and its high was 244. A very nice one. Market cap of over 100 billion. Okay, a 24-hour volume over 4 billion, and a lot more of it. What about its all-time high? 294. You can see its all-time high 294, and its all-time low was 0.5. Imagine, assuming you were here, assuming you bought it at 0.5, you would have earned a lot of money by now. Okay, so that is it. I won't be talking too much on them because time is not on our side. So all you just need to do is to invest your time making a little research, making enough research on them, so that you can actually know exactly what to invest on, what to invest in. All right, so this next one I want us to look at is ADA. We all know ADA coin. We all know ADA coin, which is known as Cardano. All right, Cardano is also one of those major coins that you can invest on and make a huge profit in return. You can take a look at it. Where was Cardano? Its low was what? 0.93. Its high was 0.9861. It will soon clock on 1 USDT. Yes, because its market cap was high and its all-time high was 3 USDT. You can see that it will still retain his standard. It will retain its stand in the nearest time. So all you just need to do, go close to this also carefully, make your research on them, and do not invest more than you can lose. You can find this on Binance. It's there also on Bitget, and a lot more of them. Okay, looking at its community, highly bullish. Looking at its market cap, still good. All right, so what are you waiting for? But I always advise, before you invest, check in carefully, watch carefully, know exactly what you are investing in. Make your own personal research before diving into it. Okay, I've mentioned Solana, I've mentioned ADA, I've mentioned Doge, I've mentioned XRP. Take your time to look at those ones and see. The last but not the least is called the Trump coin. See, you all know how the Trump official coins has been doing. The Trump was there to trade against USDT, against SOL, against USDC. All right. So all you just need to do is to make your research on it as well before diving into it. You can see the Trump coin has a very huge and high potential. It is a very good coin that you can invest on and make a lot of money for yourself. You can see how it was doing. It surged very high in the past few days. Okay, it surged very high in the past few days. Let's go to Bybit quickly to take a look at this particular coin actually. Okay, we are here on Bybit. So what does Bybit own? You can see the Trump coin. It was there up very high. Okay, and a lot of people made a lot from it, and a lot of people also lost. You know why? Because they bought at a very high rate. Okay, that is lack of research. They bought at a very high rate and it turned down with them. But it's also a good coin, that's notwithstanding, because from its network it's an SOL network, which will be a very profitable coin in the nearest future. So all you just need to do is to look at those 5 coins carefully, make your research deeply, and earn a lot for yourself. So this brings me to the end of this very video. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning of the video to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.